Here comes Key Sayers. Looking to check out Key Sayers. Completely vertical. The KOD dropping that shoulder, kicking it up. It's like doing a handstand on top of the motorcycle. 3.5 stories up. But I think we only have about 75% of you making noise. Let's see if we can get 80%. Here comes Jeremy. Tear it out. All you guys out there got your cameras. Super good photo on that one. Jeremy locks it down. It pops up. Go. Switching it out. Jeremy from the left side. Luke doing it from the left side on right here. And Sayers is grabbing the throttle. The Shandy's looking over. He's checking the wind. That breeze you're feeling on the ground. It's us right about. Okay, I heard about 75% of you guys on the flip. Let's see if we can get about 80 more percent of you guys, 80, 85% on this one. Jeremy's looking at me. He's got his hand out and he's like, hey, I'm gonna give Luke a little crack in this one if he wants it. Here comes Luke Dolan. Let him hear you make that noise. No-handed flip upside down. Locking it in for you. Stalling it out. Fueled by Monster Indy, brought to you by KSFMX, fueled by Monster Indy. Heard you guys on that side, you switched to your side. Who's having a good time so far? You guys having a good time? Anybody want to go bigger? The boys are teasing you guys. The louder you guys get, the bigger they go. Check this out. Cordova flip by Luke Dolan. I always feel like I'm doing it every single time. One of the craziest tricks out there. Here comes Jeremy. Watch the mic out. Check this out. Flip upside down, crank of the leg. It's the expedition, the 80 flip. My boys are waiting for you guys to make some noise. So what do you guys think? You guys having a good time? It's the 80 heart attack on you. I wonder if they actually crank the music down so I can hear who's having a good time with the Monster Energy Rider. Somebody make some noise out here. Sounds good, sounds good. Anybody want to go bigger? Who wants to go bigger out here? You guys want to go bigger? So, since you guys want to go bigger, to crank this tune up. Key Sayers waiting for you guys to make the noise. Check this out right here. Yes, stalling out the huge Indian Air for you. I'm looking at twin. He's coming down the runway. Switching that down on 450 Blue Crew. Second gear. Pop it off. Oh, yeah. Huge doing that for you. Luke Dolan's doing wheelies down here. I think he's teasing you guys.
Operation is quieter engines. Give operators a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory and allowing more suitable operations.
They're cracking the throttle. I told you, homeboy. You guys ready to go bigger? You guys want to go bigger? What about over here? You guys want to go bigger on this side? I'm not forgetting you guys over here. Who wants to go bigger? You guys want to go bigger? Here we go. You guys been making noise for one rider in the air. How about we put 3 riders in the air, fueled by your applause? Somebody make some noise for your Monster Energy Rider. Anybody want to go bigger? Anybody want to keep 3 riders in the air? All right, boys. They're getting loud for you. All my fans are saying they want to keep 3 riders in the air. So since we're keeping 3 riders in the air, how about we put 3 riders in the air, but we close the gap closer and we do bigger tricks. You guys know what to do. They're fueled by your applause. Let me hear you make the noise in 3, 2, 1. Let them hear you. Break it down. Okay. I have to ask the question. Who wants to go bigger? You guys want to go bigger? You guys want to keep 3 riders in the air? You guys want to keep 3 riders in the air? You want to keep 3 riders in the air? All right, so here it goes. We're going to keep 3 riders in the air. We're going to close the gap closer. We're going to do the bigger trick. This is going to be your final demo tricks right here. I need 100% of you making noise. Here we go. Let me hear you make some noise for your riders. Let them hear you. Break it down. Let's make some noise for your Monster Energy riders out there. If you guys are on the fence, put your hands out on the fence. They're coming around to give you guys high five. Once again out here doing it for you, Jeremy, Keith, and Luke throwing down. Here with the Monster Energy Zone, throwing down, fueled by Monster Energy, brought to you by KSFMX. Out there giving the high fives for you guys. If you like what you saw with your cool photos and videos, make sure you tag us at Monster Energy with your cool photos and videos, and make sure that tag is quick because we're going to be checking out all your videos. For all you guys who like what you saw, we'll be back here at 2 p.m. We'll be back at 2 p.m. for more high-flying action at 2 p.m. We'll see you guys soon. Enjoy your day here at the Miramar Air Show.